Welcome back. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Hope you're all having a fantastic week, guys. How are we feeling today? This is Crypto Bullseye, and I'm bringing you your next edition of What's Trending in Crypto. You guys have been telling me what's trending in crypto, and I got two for you today, and that's Arbitrum and also Fetch.ai. So two tokens that are breaking out as we speak. At the request of you guys, let's get into the charts. AI has certainly been the narrative of 2023. One of the reasons why this is being covered in what's trended in crypto this week. So we've had the break of this bull flag. You can see we've had the break here. We can just measure that with our trend line. Clear break there. So that's showing momentum. So this is Saturday when I'm filming this. It might be Monday when I release this. So hopefully we've got a couple more candles on here. But the two resistance levels that we need to be looking for is these highs here. This is the first one. That's sitting at 45 cents. So you've got 45 cents just over for the first one. The second one's a bit of a range because you've got the body here and the wick of the previous high. So you're sitting at 54 cents, which is going to be your conservative level, and your top end level, which is going to be the previous high, sitting at 61 cents, just under 61 cents. So they're the levels that I'm watching out for. What can we do for additional confirmation of Fetch.ai and this bit breakout to show that it's a true breakout? Because we can stick an inverse head and shoulders tool on here. And what does that give us? If we have a break of an inverse head and shoulders, there's a higher probability of the break holding. So we could stick that on there. There's the head. Got the left shoulder here. There's the head. Here's the neckline. There's the right shoulder. And we've broken the trend, but we haven't yet broken the neckline of this head and shoulders. So if we do manage to break that, and that coincides with our first level of resistance, which is this previous high, 45 cent level, then that's given us additional confirmation that we are more likely to retest these top levels and possibly higher. So that's what I'm looking at on Fetch.ai. We'll have a look at Arbitrum next. You can see this huge spike from launch on Arbitrum. It went up to, on the Binance chart, that's what this is, $1.60. You're seeing on KuCoin and other exchanges, it went up to like $10, $11 on some of them. So absolute huge spike, pulled back, and this $1 level here, just above the $1 level, becomes huge support. We made a base here and it's sitting at $1.15. So there's lots of eyes on this $1.15. And if we're wrong and price reverses and goes to the downside, we start creating that lower high and you start seeing a surge to the downside. If this level here breaks, this is the level that you're wrong. And we can go down a lot further than that. So that's the level that you need to hold. And there's all eyes on the previous low and the previous high. So we've created a high here. And I go by the bodies rather than the wicks because it's more conservative. So what we want to see, guys, we want to see this pullback. We want this level here to act as support. So this is the $1.38, which is the top of the range. If this acts as strong support and we get a reaction from this, we can start creating that new high on Arbitrum. You got to remember it's price discovery with these new tokens, guys. So you got to prepare for when you're wrong and when you're right. So always use a stop loss. Use a stop loss, guys, because if you're wrong, this can bleed all of your capital or a lot of your capital, guys. So preservation of capital, appropriate risk management, but certainly an interesting one. Arbitrum had the huge airdrop. People sold, made a base, and created the new high. So we've got the body here, which is higher than the previous wick, a confirmed new high. That's bullish for Arbitrum. Let's see if we create that new higher low. So hope you enjoyed this episode, guys. Let me know next week what you want me to cover in What's Trending in Crypto, and you enjoy the rest of your week. Check out our Telegram group. We can chat about this. We can chat about Arbitrum. We can chat about Fetch. We can chat about your tokens. I'll leave the link in the description below. Follow me on Twitter at Bullseye for Crypto, and you enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Goodbye from me.